different from what you're used to. Especially, we've never studied abroad before, and it's awesome.
I mean, at first it's scary, but then you get used to it, and you actually feel comfortable here. And there's a lot of cool stuff that you can't do in America.
The people have always been, like, as far as I found, really friendly and hospitable, which is nice, especially if you're Jewish. Other than that, I didn't find, like, of course there's major differences, but not anything that takes more than a couple days to get used to, I found.
Natural activities like hiking, and I just feel like the things that you get to do here you could never do in the States because, I mean, it's kind of dangerous.
Yeah.
But it's awesome. Like, you go, like, ATM Cave, anybody should do that, and you get to go hiking in the woods just for your class, which just looking around is amazing. And, I don't know, I just really like the natural aspect of everything that we've done here.
Just the incredible hands-on experience that I was able to get that I would never be able to get in the States. Even as an animal science major, especially with the large animal course, when you're in a class in huge labs, you really don't get the one-on-one attention that you're able to get through this program. And I've just learned so much more than I could have thought I would have been able to learn.
Yeah, and it's nice to see how other people live because we're so used to, like, America where you have TV and you have a fridge and you don't have to work nearly as hard as they do. So I just appreciate that more.
You definitely get to experience Belize from a different standpoint.
Yeah.
Because that's more like local, whereas here, you know, you're still kind of catered to as like a tourist kind of thing. So there it was living as a local kind of, and in person that was a real
Family had they had 4 kids, and they drew us these pictures, and yeah, we just came home one night from being out with our teachers, and they drew us these.
Just general vaccinations, how to give them. They allowed us to do things that most veterinarians wouldn't let you do. Veterinarians wouldn't let you do if you go on farm calls with them. And lots of things about wildlife that I didn't know, and it's made me very interested in conservation medicine and international veterinary medicine that I didn't even know was an option until I came down here. It really opened my eyes to the possibilities of just going beyond clinical practice.
I'd say like bird rescue. I'm a bird person, so anything dealing with birds I'm here.
I'm a reptile person, and I really liked the San Ignacio Hotel Green Iguana project. We got to wash and catch iguanas, or catch and wash iguanas. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I like the jaguar.
You like baby animals.
Yeah, I caught lots of baby ants.
We got to see a lot of cool things that just like animals in the area that you don't see in America, first of all, and we got to be right up close next to them, and I had never heard of a lot of them.
Yeah.
Like, jaguarundi, and lots of these really cool like cat species that you'd never ever get to see at zoos in the States. I don't think they even, I've never heard of a jaguarundi.
Me either.
There was a margay.
Yeah.
Really, but it was fun.
But yeah, there's just, I don't know, different wildlife here that you can see, and just like walking around, you can see it. But then we got to do these procedures on these animals and be right up next to them and touch them. And it was just crazy.
Best experience, I really enjoyed the castration. You basically do it yourself. I mean, of course, they're watching you, but and I enjoyed a lot of the wildlife things. We went to the Belize Zoo and got to handle the tapirs and just see things that I didn't think I'd be able to see. And even in large animal course, just being able to handle the animals, seeing all the different farms, I really enjoyed it.
And you do a lot of different things hands-on in large numbers, because they're always in large numbers. But they were always different activities. Like we did hoof trimming and castrations. We got to do a lot of them, which was actually surprisingly fun.
Palpations, rectal palpations.
That was actually kind of sick. But some people.
And just knowing how to vaccinate, because it's like hard to get used to how thick their skin is.
Yeah, you get more comfortable just, at first I was terrified to stick a needle in a dog, and then the next day I did it in an alligator.
Yeah.
So it's like you get comfortable with it.
It's a great experience, and just take a chance, I guess, if you're interested at all in traveling and just seeing a different world that's from your own and learning about their experiences and how they deal with issues that are different than how we deal with them in the States or Canada. It's just fascinating. And just if you're interested, just do it.
It's a fantastic place to study, and you get so much more by studying something here than you would back in North America, just because it's all around you and you can't help but learn.